my colleague that it's not a conversation about a single dam or construction. We are talking about the whole cluster of illegal constructions there, breaking the legal framework of the Indus Treaty waters. Recently, the Union Minister of Water Resources, Mr. Patel, stated that the Indian government is actively working to ensure that not a single drop of water will go to Pakistan in the coming years. This rhetoric poisons not just the sacred Indus waters, but the very ground of the international law. The Indus Waters Treaty governs the use of the rivers in the Indus Basin, which is shared by India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and China. Under the agreement, India has unrestricted access to the basin's eastern rivers, while Pakistan receives rights to the western rivers. Every 9 in every 10 Pakistanis live within the Indus Basin today. Its rivers irrigate more than 90% of the country's crops and generate most of its hydroelectric power. All 21 of Pakistan's hydroelectric plants are located within the basin, and they are load-bearing pillars of a fragile economy that is in need of being technologically boosted and secured. India doesn't even need to cut all flows to inflict damage to Pakistan. Manipulating the timing of releases from dams on the western rivers could flood Pakistani farmland during planting seasons, while withholding water during critical irrigation windows could devastate harvests. Pakistan has already written to India twice in 2025 and once in May 2026 about abnormal, abrupt flow variations of the Chenab. Therefore, an opportunity to settle the issue through dialogue and diplomacy is reducing day after day. In the short term, reduced India-Pakistan coordination on river flow data, forecasting and technical communication will likely increase uncertainty and crisis volatility without significantly limiting actual water flows. In the longer term, potential upstream infrastructure expansion and climate stress could increase structural instability and intensify crisis dynamics between the two nuclear states. In fact, India is seeking to weaponize water through infrastructure projects. And it was mentioned very